actually. So we are building some kind of the bridge between Ethereum and Bitcoin Cash. And actually, this idea comes from the previous hackathon. We have built CoinJoin for CLP tokens on DEF CON, and we got a lot of CLP tokens after that, and they're dropped in now. But the problem is that we can't spend them. There is no use cases for them. They have no value on Bitcoin Cash. That really sucks. So we decided that we need to create this use case. And we know that there are a lot of projects on the Ethereum that utilize tokens on it. And we wanted to move CLP tokens there so that these tokens could create the value. And that's why all the holders of Wrapped CLP tokens and CLP tokens will get the value from it. And also we wanted to create some economical game that would reward the users of original CLP tokens and like charge some fee from the Wrapped CLP tokens because they do not stand alone these Bitcoin Cash original tokens. So we wanted to create the platform that allows you to mint Wrapped CLP tokens by sending CLP tokens on the multisig wallet on Bitcoin Cash. Then our backend will listen to the transactions on this multisig token. I forgot to say that when the user comes to the platform, he connects to the Badger wallet so that he could send some tokens. He sends these CLP tokens, then he sends Bitcoin Cash transaction with a fee to the service provided to the user. And then our backend listens to this transaction. He actually validates it and then triggers a smart contract on the Ethereum platform to mint these tokens. The other parties of the multisig signs the transaction, triggers the smart contract and mints these tokens for the user. Then he could use it on the Ethereum, but he's charged 1% fee per year for using these Wrapped CLP tokens. And when he wants to actually move these tokens back to the Bitcoin Cash, he comes to our platform. He triggers the smart contract on the Ethereum platform by connecting to connecting to MetaMask, and signing this transaction. Then our backend listens to the events for burning these tokens, and then create a multi-sig transaction for Bitcoin Cash that would send these original CLP tokens to their user. And the other parties of this multi-sig signs it, and the transaction is broadcasted, and the user receives these original CLP tokens on their Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, and that's all the path from the Bitcoin Cash to Ethereum and back. That's it.
Very cool. So it sounds like there are a lot of different things happening on a technical level. So what tools have you guys found to be most useful for the project you're building?
Actually, this is Badger wallet, and this is MetaMask wallet. And we have looked at CLP.js lib and some Ethereum stuff, like Web3 or whatever.
Cool. And then just for the last part, could you tell me what you think the biggest challenge will be in implementing this project idea? And if you want, anyone can pitch it and can talk a little bit. If you guys are dividing up jobs and things like that, if each of you wants to sort of talk a little bit about what it is that you've been working on specifically, that would be great.
So guys?
Yeah, if you guys want to go ahead and start.
I can start. I'm working on the project as the backend developer, and from a side of the project, one of the hardest tasks for me is to interact with Bitcoin Cash blockchain and listen to the transactions.
Multi-sig, maybe.
Yeah,
it's a big challenge for us. Maybe multi-sig in Bitcoin Cash. We start watching to Bitcoin.js lib to determine how we can do this. And I think that's maybe all of our challenges. And we need to compose these parts of our project because we have now front end, very solid front end, and we have a smart contract on Ethereum. We have multi-sig and emulation of oracles to sign transactions at multi-sig. So maybe that is.
Sure. Yeah. Thanks. And then Astasia.
Yeah, I just said that as for the Ethereum part, it's pretty easy, so we won't have any challenges there.
Well, great. I'm excited to see how the project turns out. Best of luck to you guys.
Thank you.
Thanks.